Students, and welcome back once again to our online classes of English language standard 5th. So students, recently we have completed letter writing, but now one thing is remaining and that is comprehension. So we are going to study one comprehension, and name of that comprehension is The Man Who Slept for 20 Years. Now students, but before starting this comprehension, I would like to ask you one question, that for how many hours you are sleeping in a day? So probably you will say, ma'am, for 1 hour, for half hour, or you will say for 2-3 hours I am sleeping. So it will be very convenient. It will be very casual that you are sleeping for 2 or 3 hours or 1 hour or half an hour. So it is good to sleep for 2 or 3 hours. But have you seen any man who is sleeping for 20 years? No, we can't believe this, and we also can't imagine that a person who is sleeping for 20 years. So what is given in this comprehension? That we should have to find out. Who is this man and why is sleeping for 20 years? That reason we have to find out. So let's start. For that you have to open your textbook page number 128 and also have to put your finger on the line which I am going to read. Now students, see, I am reading the first paragraph. Put your finger on the line. In a tiny village at the base of beautiful Cascade Mountains. At the base of means at the border of. Okay, on the border of beautiful Cascade Mountains. And what is the name of the mountains? Catskill Mountain. What is the name of the mountain? Catskill Mountain. There lived a young man by the name of Rip Van Winkle, and at the border of that mountain lived a young man, and his name was Rip Van Winkle. Now the villagers were very fond of him as he went about doing their errands. Now what is the meaning of errand? Errand means job or work. So this Rip Van Winkle was always busy in doing others' work and flying kites and playing marbles with the children, and he also liked to fly kites and play marbles with the small children. Now Rip Van Winkle could do anybody's work but his own. Now this Rip Van Winkle was a person who liked to help others, but at the same time he was neglecting his own work. He was not paying proper attention to his own work. His farm was badly kept, and that's the reason his farm was very badly kept, means very bad in condition. That was why weeds grew all over his farm and his cows were always going astray. Now what is the effect of that? So what is the result of that? That was why weeds grew all over his farm. His farm was very badly kept. His farm was really in a bad condition, and that's why the weeds grew. Now weeds means the unwanted grass that grow beside the crops. Okay. So weeds grew all over his farm and his cows were always going astray. And he was also having cows, and his cows were going astray. Going astray means going here and there. Okay. His house too was among the shabbiest in the village. And see the condition of his house. His house was also very shabbiest in the condition. Means he was not looking at his house. He was not paying attention to his farm. Okay. He was not taking care both of them. One day, fed up of Dame Van Winkle's nagging, he set off for the hills for a long walk and soon reached one of the highest parts of the mountain. Now see what happened one day. Fed up of Dame Van Winkle's nagging. Nagging means always complaining, always grumbling that you are doing this, you are doing that, and there is a small quarrel between husband and wife. This Rip Van Winkle's wife was complaining, always complaining him, and one day what happened, because get tired of his wife's complaints, this Rip Van Winkle left the house and he set off for the hills for a long walk to get relaxed, and soon reached one of the highest part of the mountain. And what happened after that? He reached to the highest part of the mountain. Walking step by step, he reached to the highest part of the mountains. He had his dog, wolf and hunting gun with him. When he was walking on the way, at that time he was having his companion as a dog, wolf and a hunting gun with him. Tired of walking, when he was continuously walking and walking, at the time he got tired and he stretched out on a grassy patch, where there are grassy patch means there are a lot of grass on the ground, where the place is covered with grass. So at that place he reached there and he stretched out means lay down over their grassy patch. Just then he heard someone calling out, Rip Van Winkle. Standing at his feet was a tiny man, and he saw that someone was calling him, and in a loud voice, Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. And standing at his feet was a tiny man with a long white beard and dressed in a shabby clothes. And what Rip Van Winkle saw? He saw a tiny man with a long white beard. Very tiny man was standing in front of him, and he was having a long white beard, dressed in a shabby clothes like him only. His clothes are very shabby. Shabby means very dirty. Okay. He carried a keg on his shoulder. Keg means barrel. Okay. Keg means what? Barrel. So he carried a keg on his shoulders and he made a sign that he wanted to Rip to carry it up the hill for him. Now that man was carried a keg on his shoulders. One barrel was on his shoulder that he was carrying, and he made a sign that he wanted Rip to carry it up to the hill for him. So that tiny man wanted that this Rip Van Winkle should carry that barrel to the hill for him. So this is the paragraph. So have you understood, students? I hope that you must have understood. Now we are going to do the question answers, because this passage is very easy. Okay, and I have also explained you in a very easy words or easy way. So let's do the question and answers now. You can see the first question, find the meanings of. So first is errands. Errands means job or assignment. Okay, or you can say work. Okay, you can say work also. Now see, second word is astray. Astray means away from the correct path or direction. Third is shabbiest. Shabbiest means in a poor condition through long use or lack of care. Fourth is nagging. Nagging means continuously fault finding or complaining. And fifth one is keg. Keg means a small barrel. So have you understood? Now move to the next question. See, question number B, complete the following answers. First is two reasons why the people were fond of Rip Van Winkle were that. So answer first is A, he was doing their errands. Okay. And second is he was playing marbles and flying kites with the children. Okay. Now see the second question. You have to leave one line after this question. His farm was badly kept because. His farm was badly kept because. Answer is he was doing anybody's work but not his own. It means that he was neglecting his own work. Now see the third question. Rip Van Winkle went off to the hill because he was fed up of Dame Van Winkle's nagging. Who is Dame Van Winkle? Dame Van Winkle was his wife, and he was fed up of his wife's complaints, so he went out of the hills. Okay. Now see the next question. Question number 4. Rip's two companions were. So Rip's two companions were a dog, a wolf and his hunting gun. Now see question number 5. When Rip looked down, he saw a tiny man with long white beard dressed in a shabby clothes. So, these are the question and answers of the man who slept for 20 years. So, I hope that you have understood this lesson as well as the question and answers. So, this makes me to stop here, and I just want to take your leave. Till then, you have to take care of yourself, and bye for now. And don't forget to do your studies, because your exams are very near. So, best of luck for your studies and take care of yourself. Bye bye.